Kia EV3 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Pro, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next ride, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia EV3. This compact electric SUV is making waves in the EV market, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. So, buckle up and let's get started. The 2025 Kia EV3 is here, and it's ready to shake up the electric vehicle game. As Kia's latest addition to its EV lineup, the EV3 combines sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, all wrapped up in a compact SUV package. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out. First off, the design. The EV3 takes inspiration from its bigger sibling, the EV9, but with a more youthful and urban vibe. Its bold, boxy silhouette is paired with sharp lines and futuristic details, like the signature LED lighting and aerodynamic wheels. The interior is just as impressive, with a minimalist yet tech-forward layout. High-quality materials, a panoramic sunroof, and a spacious cabin make it feel premium without breaking the bank. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the EV3 packs a punch. It's built on Kia's advanced eGMP platform, which means it's lightweight, efficient, and optimized for electric performance. With an estimated range of around 300 miles on a single charge, this little SUV is perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures alike. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can go from 10% to 80% in just under 20 minutes. Talk about convenience. Now, let's talk tech. The EV3 comes loaded with features that make driving smarter and safer. The dual 12.3-inch displays, those devices, one for the instrument cluster and one for the infotainment system, are sleek and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so you're always connected. And with Kia's latest driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking, you'll feel confident on the road. But what really sets the EV3 apart is its value. Starting at around $35,000, it's one of the most affordable electric SUVs on the market. Kia has managed to deliver a vehicle that's not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly, making it a great option for first-time EV buyers or anyone looking to downsize without compromising on quality. Of course, no car is perfect. Some might find the rear cargo space a bit limited compared to larger SUVs, and the base model's acceleration won't blow you away, but for most drivers, the EV3 strikes the perfect balance between practicality, style, and performance. So, who is the 2025 Kia EV3 for? If you're looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and affordable electric SUV that's perfect for city driving and beyond, this might just be your next ride. It's a testament to how far Kia has come in the EV space, and it's a strong contender in the growing compact electric SUV market. And that's a wrap on the 2025 Kia EV3. What do you think about this compact electric SUV? Would you consider making the switch to electric with the EV3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Drive Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay pro.